This video shows you step by step how to do the monthly maintenance on your Rownd CNC lathe. You should do this maintenance at least once a month to keep your machine running smoothly and working well. During the process, the moving parts will be checked, cleaned, and properly oiled. ISO VG68 Way oil, metric 5, metric 4, metric 3 Allen wrenches, a metric 8 wrench, a brush, and protective gloves are used for maintenance. Before starting maintenance, set the positions of the axes. Move the x-axis 50 millimeters in the negative direction and the z-axis 150 millimeters in the negative direction. This position makes it easy to reach the bellows screws. Turn off your machine, switch off the AC power, and be sure to unplug the power cord from the outlet. Remove the add-on mounting part on the x-axis. Use a metric 5 Allen wrench to remove the 4 screws. Once all screws are removed, lift the part upward with both hands to take it off. The bellows on the x-axis are secured with 6 bolts. Remove the bolts using a metric 8 wrench. Two on the left side. Two on the right side. And 2 at the bottom. Once all bolts are removed, gently lift and stretch the bellows upward to remove it. Remove the 4 bolts on the left side of the Z-axis using a metric 8 wrench. Gently lift and stretch the bellows upward to remove it. Similarly, remove the 4 bolts on the right side of the Z-axis using a metric 8 wrench. And remove the bellows from the rail. First, use a dry brush to remove chips from the surface. Then, vacuum up the remaining fine chips and dust with a vacuum cleaner. Apply ISO VG68 Way oil to the rails and lead screws using a clean brush. Avoid applying excessive oil. After cleaning and lubrication, gently press the bellows on the left side of the Z-axis into place on the rails. Insert the 4 bolts and then tighten them using a metric 8 wrench. Install the bellows on the right side of the Z-axis as well. Insert the 4 bolts and then tighten them using a metric 8 wrench. Reinstall the bellows located on the positive side of the X-axis. Insert the 2 screws into their slots at the bottom, then tighten them using a metric size 8 wrench. After positioning the bellows on the negative direction of the X-axis, insert the 2 screws on both the left and right sides into their respective slots. Then, install the 2 screws located underneath. Tighten all screws using a metric 8 wrench. Left service cover removal and cleaning procedure. Remove the 12 screws securing the left service cover. Carefully clean the interior area using a vacuum. Make sure all dust, chips, and debris are completely removed from the area. Once cleaning is complete, reinstall the cover and tighten the 12 screws that were removed. Monthly periodic maintenance has been completed. Wishing you productive use of your machine.